Hey guys, Dotson guys here at MarineMax in Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a in-stock Sea Ray 19 SPX that just arrived. This boat is in the Horizon Gray hull color. Galvanized trailer with collapsible tongue, mag rims, disc brakes as well. This boat is the outboard version, so this has the MERCURY 150 upgrade from the standard 115. We have the sea deck, gray sea deck on the back to match that exterior, and as well as the dune interior, or stone interior, excuse me, so the gray interior. I'll step up in here real quick. So this boat has the big aft jumps lounge seat. Under here you gain what I call the garage. So huge storage, put your coolers, your chairs, ski equipment. We have a standard ski tow there. I'm 6 foot for reference, so it's a nice deep cockpit, as well as contoured bolsters from Sea Ray. I love the stitching and the contrast of this particular boat. Cooler seat underneath there. Then you have the port lounge system. So seat, and then there's a seat that pops out underneath. And now we have a bench seat for our companions. We have a glove box here with charging ports. Helm is equipped with a 5-inch Simrad stereo system from Fusion Marine. This is a slider and as well as has a flip bolster. You get 12-volt charging and USB charging there in the front. We have the snap-in sea deck as well as a ski locker just underneath this hatch here. Big dry storage underneath there. You can see we've got our prop down below. In the forward, you have two elevated lounges, so they push that nose out as far as they can. I'm 6 foot again for reference, so you can see that. I love these little pop-out center seats. We have a nice safe walkway. Get our passengers off for boarding from the bow. We do have dedicated anchor locker storage on the forward part of this 19 SPX. If you guys have any questions about purchasing this boat, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Again, my name is Dotson Geis from MarineMax here in Charleston. Give us a call today.